All right, let's give you some feedback here. Thanks for sending me, uh, a little sample and a question. So, um, I can see you are simplifying the elements. I'm really glad. Um, I think we are kind of forgetting where we're going as far as the glyph. So I'll take you over to some other images that I think are glyph-like and yet farm-like as well. And so that here's some that I think are at the level. Notice they're very flat. They're very straight line or perfect circle or triangle. You know, maybe a little on the detailed side, but with the farmland represented like that or like that, that's helping. And it's extremely flat too. There's no highlight shadow. That helps. Not like this one, where it's certainly valid, but it's not the goal because we're trying to build on project one, project two. This would be simplified to that point, that barn and land. These feel, you know, I'd probably thicken the lines here a little bit, but other than that, right along track on target, I'd say. These might be a little detailed in their, you know, extra strokes and things like that, but I would support something like this as well. Okay. So a lot of I don't know why, but you're gonna if we just did a search for pumpkin logo, which I did, farm pumpkin logo search, we're gonna find a lot of them in shapes, and putting a logo in a shape is certainly a way to solve the problem of multiple words. And notice we still have hierarchy. We're trying to emphasize, in this case, organic or farmers or the farmer name, etc. Um, I would like to avoid things like this. That to me is just being a little cheesy, a little off. So let's just look at some of these farm ones. So this would be attractive and line up with the assignment, where this one would really be down towards illustration and away from what we're aiming for. This could probably work, although I think a flatter, more simplistic pumpkin drawn in this style would be better even here. You can see some people put shapes in. That's a doable solution. Again, a shape. Um, you know, uh, no, I wouldn't go that way. I wouldn't go this way. So a lot of these I'm not really impressed with. Here, there's harmony between Farmer John's, but the pumpkin just it doesn't sit in harmony with the rest of the elements. So that's what we're trying to look for is a way to organize all these multiple pieces and get them to work well in harmony one with another. Most of these do that. Those do that. These do. And I'm trying to show you ones that would build on Project 1 and Project 2. One, where we make it a glyph level, simple image, and two, the type, mm, we're not going to get as expressive as we did the first time, but we're still going to try to use various typefaces, maybe two different typeface families, or maybe one and use variation of weight and things like that so we can emphasize certain words. Okay, so I hope that helps. Um, Thanks a lot, and I'll see you tomorrow maybe.